All right, this is a 2004 Edge. You're looking at the driver's side. Rotor is out. The CV axle in it. Over here is a CV axle. I just want to talk to you briefly about why this is better than that. See the difference? There's a new one. There's the old one. Well, when they broke when this thing snapped, it snapped on the bottom of the ball joint. That's what happened. Broke the bottom of the ball joint on the old one. I don't see it out here. It's laying over here somewhere. It's very cold and snowy out here. We're at wonderful weather here. Not. So you see how it's missing the ball joint. Snapped off. So that was the old one. There's the new one. The ball joint's on. So when that broke, it pulled the CV axle out of the transmission. And if we look up in there, we can do like an inspection. All the transmission fluid leaked out. The seal looks okay. Don't see anything major wrong with that. Don't see anything. So I think it'd be okay keeping the seal. Got snagged here. Always happens when you're working with something hanging down. Okay, so pulled it out. The trouble we ran into was pulling the nut off of the front of this nut. So you got to have, I forget what size it was, something 30 seconds. Probably tells you on here somewhere if you look at it close enough. Where you spin it around. 36 millimeter. So anyway, you got to get the right one to get the nut off, but you can't get the nut off unless you have it bolted on here a little bit, and you can't just use Harbor Freight stuff. See? Nope. I use breaker bar like drop the car down and put it in here like that. See? Drop the car down to the floor, to jack, and then use that as a way to get a breaker bar on that, and then got that nut off. Now where we're at is I'm going to go get the other CV axle and slide it in, and then put the other lower control arm back on. So, cold snowy day here in Ohio, probably like another week of this should let off the pressure, but this is it, guys. This is Ohio right now. Oh, is it cold? In my garage and going back in the heat. Woohoo! Have a great day. Like us, thumbs up. We're great. We love it. Leave comments or something, let us know that we're at least doing something right. Thanks.